Good evening, guys. My name is Ramya Dotti, and I am the project manager for this project. I would like to start with an interesting fact. Did you guys know that you can fit all of the planets in the Milky Way between Earth and Moon with a little space left over? I know, right? It's crazy. But that doesn't seem to be applicable for humans in the current situation. I quickly want to remind everyone about the CDC guidelines for being safe. Guys, be safe and stay home. Make sure you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Avoid having any close contact with outsiders. Make sure you cover your mouth and nose with a cloth or wear a mask, just like Darth Vader, and socially distance yourself from outsiders. I know these are some dark times, but let's all do what we can do for making sure each of us are safe. Let's quickly jump into the meeting. Today's meeting's agenda. I'll quickly walk you through introduction, purpose of the project, importance to business, the approach, roles and responsibilities, and quickly end it with Q&A. Introduction. So the project is to redesign the current website, making sure the layout and the formation to improve the organization and presentation of the content. Introduce certain changes to improve customer experiences and convenience, and making sure we eliminate the current UI issues. As we all know that the importance of the website, of our customer acquisition efforts, and overall impact that it has on sales and revenue. That is why we are going to put in our best efforts in making this website better. Purpose of the project. The purpose of the project is to create revised wireframes and test them, redesign a content first information architecture, increase the time spent on the website, and making sure we optimize the website speed during holidays like Valentine's, Christmas, and New Year. Convert all the sites to HTTPS. And we are proposing a plan on developing a mobile version of this website. Importance to business. By making these changes on the website, we are surely to see a good amount of increase in sale conversions, reduce in the number of pages on the site, making it convenient for the client or the customer. Audit the existing site and sort pages by accesses. Conduct the second wave of customer feedbacks. Help you reduce your bounce rate and increase conversions. Improving current SEO rankings. As you can see in this current graph, we are comparing the organic search, referral, direct traffic, and emailing marketing and social media throughout the year 2019 from Jan to December. As you can see, as per the organic search, it reduces over the time. Our main agenda also for this project is to improve the organic search in making sure that the website is SEO friendly. approach. Among the list of approaches we are taking for redesigning this website, few of them are obtaining the customer feedback for visual appeal, content, overall impressions, utilizing the information gathered to create content layout for updating websites, a soft launch following with a 30-day post launch feedback and modification cycle. On the day of the launch, we are announcing it on all social media platforms and delivering press releases to all appropriate print and electronic media outlets, encouraging people to visit the site, check out the new layout and features, and perhaps take advantage of special launch deal or discount. And making sure we use social media platforms and blogs to tease the targeted audience and build excitement as the approach of the reveal day. Roles and responsibilities. There will be 4 core teams actively participating in this project to be successful. As you all know, I'll be leading the project as the project manager, and Charles would be coordinating with me. The marketing team is yet to decide its lead, and we have our sales team led by Andrew Beck. Dave Coe is going to be leading IT team, and Andrew Robertson will be leading customer services team. Question and answer. I know we walked through the meeting quickly, but I ensure you over the next few weeks, me and my team will be actively working on finalizing aspects of the project. In any case, if anyone has any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Charles. I want to end this meeting with some inspirational quotes. Coming together is a beginning. Saying, staying together is progress, and working together is success, said by Henry Ford. So let's all make sure we all come together to make this website a big success. And even taking few words from Stevenson Gear's page of success. Trust your gut, never give up, and face adversity head on. The path to success is often disguised with immense obstacles and wrong turns. So let's all work together for a really good and a better output of this project. On that note, I would like to end this meeting. Thank you so much for all of your participation, and I really encourage each and every one. And thank you, guys. Be safe. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you.